Have you ever thought about what it would feel like to receive $12,000 effortlessly as a natural part of your daily life? What if there was a method so simple yet so powerful that it could bring your desires closer every single day? This technique is rooted in the idea that what you imagine, feel, and believe with emotional intensity becomes your reality. Let me introduce you to the visualization technique that has transformed countless lives. It doesn't require any rituals, apps, or long routines. All it requires is your focused imagination, belief, and emotional involvement. Here's how it works. Close your eyes and imagine that you already have $12,000 in your account. Not just a vague thought, but a real, vivid scene. You're checking your phone and see the notification, $12,000 credited. What would your reaction be? Who would you tell first? What would you do with the money? Now, here's the key. Don't visualize as a third-party observer. Enter the scene. Feel the phone in your hand. Hear your breath quicken. Smile genuinely. Maybe tears come. You are not hoping. You are experiencing. This is the most important part. You must feel the emotion as if it's already done. Your subconscious mind does not know the difference between a real memory and a vividly imagined one. When you repeatedly feed it a scene full of emotional energy, it accepts it as real. And reality begins to reorganize around that belief. Don't chase the money. Become the version of you who already receives it. Every morning before you start your day, and every night before sleeping, revisit the same scene. Keep it short and emotionally rich, just 2 to 3 minutes. Consistency is more powerful than duration. The more often you feel it as real, the faster it starts to manifest. You may notice unexpected calls, opportunities, ideas, or gifts. Don't ignore them. These are responses from the universe aligning with your internal state. Here's a bonus technique to intensify the effect. Write a letter to yourself from the future. Start with, "Dear me, I can't believe I now receive $12,000 daily. My life has changed in the most incredible way." Fill it with gratitude. Read it aloud once daily. This letter acts like a coded signal to your subconscious, reminding it of what reality to create. Also, release the obsession with time. Don't look for signs every minute. Detachment is a sign of trust. When you water a seed, you don't keep digging it up to see if it's growing. You nurture it with care and belief. That's what you must do with your visualization. Remember, this method is not about fooling the mind. It's about training it to believe, to feel, to become. Make this a 10-minute daily practice. 2 minutes of stillness, 3 minutes of vivid visualization, 2 minutes of scripting or journaling, and 3 minutes of gratitude. You're not asking the universe for $12,000. You're tuning yourself to the version of you who already receives it. That's the shift. That's the secret. If this video resonates with you, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this today. Comment below. 12,000 daily is my new normal. Let this be the start of your new reality.